Hello, in this video I will show you what you can do if you get to show the message that the file path does not exist. This is the last thing I could do to this. There is also another video I made that you can try if it works for you. However, it did not work for me. Downloading an older version, I leave the link in the description. Well, with that said, let's start. One we are going to do is go to Google search engine and search the following: extractor WPRESS and choose the option that says WPRESS extractor Windows/Mac, GThub. Once inside, go to where it says code and we will get a menu with several options. We put the one that says download zip, and so it should download, and we have the zip file of the extractor. Go to where we have the extractor and extract it. Once extracted, we enter the folder. We enter the folder again. Once here, we go to the folder dist, and there we will have a file. To that file we copy and paste it in the same folder or place where our WPRESS file is. What we do now is to take the WPRESS file and select it next to the X file as shown in the image. When doing this, we will see the CMD console and we will have to wait for it to load. It may take some time. When it has finished, we are going to have a folder. We enter, and once inside we go to cache and enter WPO cache. There we will have a folder with the name of your website, the domain name, and we enter. When we enter, we will have all the amount of pages that you had, all the posts that you had, and what we are going to do is to enter, for example, to 1. When we enter, we are going to see a HTML file. What we are going to do is click on it and it will open in our browser. When we see it in the browser, we will see the page without style, but we will be able to see the content. The text and the names of the images. Then what you can do is to copy and paste it in the new page you created, adding the style again. So it is not the ideal solution, but it is the only way I found not to lose the content in case of this error. That would be all.